In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, and today I will show you how to access the download mode. So to start off, we'll need to power off the phone, hold the power key and select power off, and confirm it. And once the device shuts off, we will hold power key, volume down and home button. So once more, power, volume down and home. And as you can see, we'll get this message here, and you can cancel this by tapping volume down or continue by tapping volume up. So we're just going to tap volume up, and right now we're in download mode. So that's basically how you access this mode. Now if you want to leave it, you can just hold the power key and the phone will shut off after like 7 seconds or 10. Yeah. And I think it will not boot up on its own, so once more hold power key to turn it back on. And now it will just turn on back to the normal Android. So, as you can see, now we're out of the download mode and back into the normal Android. So this is how you access the download mode and also leave it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.